better watch out. If your enemies are road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day with the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he drones me. He gets caught for a big pissed off quick. And if you cross me, you might drop too. I'll protect him. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate. You can say nothing, but you don't know me, you don't know me. I'll be rising above it. Gotta go.
Cheap, so why don't we just take a step?